you know, bad. You know, I don't really know why a lot of people now like Mebu. Mebu.
Thank you, sir.
No, rather. Oh, no, I like Mebu. He make it on your like a daughter. Don't know why. Don't really know why. Unu ja like imegide onye aka ya dị ọcha unu awụ ndị Igbo. You get? So don't know. Because if you are just joining, please power tap and share this live stream. Power tap again and share you the live. If you are just joining, you are welcome. Please just power tap and share the live. Want to share this live. Madu ge mepe page, mepe ihe niile. Ebia get the content madu na put wari na your own channel. You understand? Which is very, very bad. Which is very, very bad. Which is very, very bad. You know, content mo nji aka m na-emega. Ka na post ya. E post ya. Unu chọ ka m gwụọ onye ọ ga-awe chida mpụta. Maka iwu du ahụ m. Jowa, do you know this man? Ajowa, do you know this man? Ọhụ n'ụtọ. Emewe m interview. Interview game man nọrọ. Nọrọ ka onye ahụ onye nidere enyemaka. A na-agwa unu ndị Igbo ahụ onwe ha na anyị na-eche na egwuregwu. Igbo mere onwe ha. Oha. Ndị Igbo ahụghị onwe ha n'anya. Man do man. Mmadụ mere mmadụ. Share you one life. Tagida ha. Unu chọ ka m bụrụ onye ga-awụ mpụta ụtụtụ ma na-ata bread, ata akara, ṅụ mmiri ara. O bidola ahụ. O bidola ihe unu tụ emewele. Ga mere ezigbo nri. Ọhụ n'ụtara. Ọ tapụ anụnụ. That is what some of you want. Somebody akpọga. And when my content now report. I report to page him. He got one week here. When my content now report to my page. Chineke na to lekwe. Manyam jinke. And when I'm using the content, I build on my own. Chineke if there's anybody have used his own content to build his own page, man, I can't know them. YouTube, learn my yanning. YouTube, learn my anom ni root, anom ni bapa. YouTube, here I won't need whom, here I won't need whom happen no mark with Hakuma. Happen no me who have come a man gave fund on power. On power. Mad hilarious content, mega. No, and my own live stream, mega. Metaya gave a record from God they post to uncle YouTube. Onya has strike him guess I would have original content owner. More original. Ah, more afterlam. Okay, moon your album. How to reba mamaka. How to reach him panty, you share my with Jim Bembarato and Bembero 100. Tine do you ham? How to reba mamaka, how to reach him my pant, Bembarato and Bembero 100. But I'm not there to be better. I'm now an adult. Topreta, Dalo. I'm now an adult. How can I have my content on my own platform, on my own page? I do my things on TikTok live stream. Mwamuga be a record room. Mwamugu record that I'm supposed to. Mwamugu who can post to them the same content. Mwamugu strike him. Ele him mero what have I done? YouTube no de apparel June. Una gauge videos in them battle. Life matter gaga manonye account. Manonye we hakukwa. Kawesem kuno sembere no picture. Kuno mara. Ele him merunu. Una gauge ihu we huma. We manonye we hakukwa. YouTube lekwem ya unu nyanya mere una ga mata som lem obi are mo obi agbawalam my brother MLM they reporting MLM yeah. And the legal proceeding one hanging them 7 days. Literally the man I got life every time. You know? Be about walam. They are to remember can look you do meme interview. Hate we see look you do meme interview. In that to can look you do meme interview. I hate we. If you Juliet. Hey, to see look you do meme interview. Okay, waiting a man body who look you do home. I said, do you know this man? Hey, he was the one that normally say, Billy, to area, go back. I rather than a family, the husband giver, the wife giver. Hey, Nyolabanaka is not my portion. Obi William. Obi abawalam. Please power tap, please. If you Juliet, chileke bakwa mark hapwea, so okay. He gave Bama money na panther. Igbo wunde name we had at the cost of their own problem. Abigail C. Dalo. Please help me share this live, please. If you know any platform you can share it, deliver it for people to join. I don't see why I will have my own platform where I do my content. You call yourself a real Igbo man. You come to my live stream. You screen record me and you post. And you post on your own YouTube channel. When you screen record me, you post. Then you personally, you will not still use my post to strike this my page, which is Real MC Bishop page. Oh no. It's very, very quite unfair. It's very, 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 very quite unfair. So that I will go down. So that I will not be able to have my accounts. You will be eating from my own content. YouTuber party. And you people could not identify that I am the rights owner of this particular content. Tell those people to go on live video. Just the way I am doing now. They cannot do it. All you people know is to YouTube. If you are listening to me, listen to me. Can't you use your common sense and know that people are doing live stream video? Can't you know that? Manners English that I cannot explain. Are you not seeing my real face here? That I do my live stream and I post it on your platform here. Somebody will strike me. Can't you go and checkmate the people that have gone live on that account and know the real rightful owner of the account before you now be giving sanction that you don't need to give to people? YouTuber, waraya bunu. Onongro kai. My own sweat, my own energy, my own time, my own data. I stream on TikTok. They will now come to use my content and go and post on YouTube. And when they post it on YouTube, they will now use my own same content to strike my own particular account. Abigail Dalo. You will now use my own content to bring down my own account, telling me you are giving me 7 days. Sit angry, me rawaraya about YouTube. You want one day ara. You people want me to be interviewed by Lucky Udu? Etina, Lucky Udu will now see me and be calling me, say, do you people know this man? Do you people know this man? He is the husband giver that normally tell people, stand up, go back. Then, when they finish saying it, then I will look back. I will look wretched before men and women. YouTuber smart to Baquanunu, Awaraya Bunu. No longer make Guna Kanaya here. Guna Kananya. I have to remember. How can a man be in abroad? You don't have any work you are doing. You only watch people live stream on other platforms. You record them. You come and post it on on YouTube, claiming to be the rightful owner. And these YouTube people don't have common sense. Looking at the live stream of those the account of that the person is do go live on it. Then you will tell me that my account that I'm being striked. You want to bring it down in 7 days. Can't you see that you people don't know what you are doing? Can't you see that you YouTube don't know what you are doing? If you're over, what do you mean by your abusive words and angrily manners? What is the content there? What message do you think I'm passing when I'm angry? When I'm not mannered, if you're over. A woman who cannot stay in a home where a husband, a man who he accepts to be his husband, where a husband is angry and is not mannered to her in terms of speech, that woman is not yet ready to marry. That is what I'm showcasing. So kudos to those women that normally stays on my life when I showcase those things you call abusive and angrily manners. Kudos to those women and those men that stand. Don't you know there are men that have stood out before, that have stayed with women that normally nags, still kept them in their house without divorcing them? Women that uses wrong words to their husband. Have you not seen it? And those men still continue with their marriage with them. So don't you know that those men are need to be given oh, English, you idiot. English, you idiot. Hey! Let him in a gabo school when Pesrega school. Let him in a gabo school when Pesrega school. English, you damn you, English. Hey! Make which I got my mess work and get so now. My land is alright. Ono tore mem ka muru onye ogbi ayo. Igbo man will record me and post on his page. Afrobeat kitchen, okay. But ask me English, iwe Hanana iwe Afrobeat kitchen, Hanana iwe yeah? Hanu iwe Ajuamga. By the special grace of God, I want to tell you guys, English will through her school came naga. That boy report to my YouTube page or no kamguru nyoga won't put it ma yo or the no ma. Guys, please, Anamari Utam no life for here. If you are in this live stream, I want you to be sharing this life. Share this life. Share this life. Share your no life, fam. Share your no life, fam. Share this life, please. Hey! The movie behind World Bishop, the motive behind World Bishop is completely innocent and pure. Confirm. He is proving the patience of those ladies and the limit of what they can take from a man. Yes, some pass the test, while some fail. That is the truth. That is the truth. You know, when they look at it to look like it is not good because I use our mother's tongue in doing those things. That is what they see it to be. If I mention those words in English, it looks like it's not bad. It's moderate. Amo, mpoya in English, odla moderate. Auto, mpoya in English, odla moderate. But when I use those words in Igbo, oh, hi, that guy in because I will be a medical doctor. Doctor will use the anasu beke. Pa here. Or on a medical line. Make that they think now. We no go throw away our own. We no go throw away our own language. So guys, I don't really know. I'm sorry. For now, I'll be coming live here. So I don't know if there is a way I can be bringing people up and be doing interview with them on this app. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know. For those of you who are just joining, please just share this live. Let's go. Share this live. Share this live. Let me be honest to you. Do you know that most of you people that are victim of divorce today is because you did not make your inquiry proper. You did not make your investigation weller. Before you decide that you need to go into friendship, from that friendship you start making all necessary inquiries and investigation that you need to do in order to have your own partner. You don't just see a man. The only thing you can confirm and check is Mama Kweme. Mama Kweme. Man is sharing again, man. You cannot just see a woman. The only thing you want to check is Mama Kweme. A man a hard egg. No. When you meet a person that you call your girlfriend, that you call your boyfriend, from that moment, that is courtship. That is weird, because you don't know what that relationship, that friendship will lead to. You don't know what that relationship which you are thinking you want to involve yourself in will lead to. Now, most of you got married to some people whose culture, whose tradition does not go well with your own father's culture and tradition. Most of you are privileged to enter in a home where you don't know that their traditional practice of their land will have an effect on you that is coming in. He didn't make inquiry. He didn't ask. Do you know that there are a lot of women, they don't actually really want to enter in a family that their tradition is all about sleeping with a man outside marriage, and when you do that, then their gods or deity will hold you or will make you go mad. But because you are blind, because you have decided to only have that motive that you must marry, you want to marry, you find yourself in such a marriage. Then tomorrow, that's your intention of you want to marry, or that's your motive of you want to get married to a man in abroad, because you are blind, you start seeing yourself in a home that you cannot stand